welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going blonde. So, I'm gonna use Revlon Frosting Glow in the shade Honey. I'm not sure if I want to do cap highlights or balayage, because back in junior high, I used to do the cap for this, like the exact same product, and it just went bad. Like half my hair was blonde and then the other half was my natural brown hair. And so I don't know what I want to do with that. But desperate times calls for desperate measures. And since it's about to be summer, I feel like going a little bit lighter will do me good. So stick around and as I go blonde. Thing you want to do when you highlight your hair is wear clothes that you do not want to get bleached on. So I'm wearing a robe right now, and I'll probably just flip it over because I don't know what else to wear. So that is step one. Now, step two, you want to read the instructions or be like me and not. Oh, it's just because I do the same highlights on my mom's hair, so I understand how to use this. So, you're going to put this cap on your head. Now, after you brushed your hair back and behind your ears, you put this cap on. And then with this little hook, you're going to go through whichever holes you want. I'll probably do every single hole, even though that's going to hurt my arm and be tiresome and take a long time. But that's just the way it is. And so I think I'm going to go with the bigger side hook and then go through each hole and pull through. So, yes. So I am pulling through my hair and it's getting all knotty. And so we're not going to do this method. We're going to do a balayage. So we are back from that confusion of me not wanting to do that. So you're going to take the cream developer and the highlighting powder, and then you are going to mix it into this cup. Split my hair into 4 sections. So I'm going to first start off with the first section, and then the second, and then let it do its thing. So I did the first part of my hair. I put more product at the end, and then I worked it up. So now I'm going to work on the 2 back ponytails. I finished putting on the product, and now I'm going to wait about 45 to 50 minutes, and then take it out and then rinse it. So this is the next day, and so I am showing you how my hair turned out. It was in a bun, so it's kind of wavy, and so it's a little brassy. And so today I got a different kind of kit. Since my hair was so dark, it just had to get through the different levels, and so now it's lighter but definitely a little orange. And so I'm using the Clairol balayage for dark blondes to light blondes in hopes to get a lighter color of blonde, because we're almost there. It's just kind of yellowy and just not really what I want. And we are also going to put more highlights at the front of my head. So I'm going to do the same process where I mixed the bleach, and then it came with this kind of brush to apply. And so I'm going to apply more at the ends and then work up, and then leave it on for 45 minutes and then wash it out, and then the next clip will be the reveal. Hello everyone, so I just got out of the shower. My face is kind of pink. And so my hair is a little bit damp. I hair dried it a little bit, and in the camera it looks darker than it's appearing. And since my hair is still a little bit wet, it's darker than what it will be once it's fully dried. But you can kind of tell that my hair is lighter. So, yeah. I mean, I like it. It's a lot better than how it was yesterday. Because yesterday it was just really orangey, but now we're a lot blonder. So yeah, I did a little bit more blonde at the top. You can't really see because my hair is still damp. But yeah, so thank you everyone who watched this video and were along for the process. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.